Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Heather, and today we're going to be learning all about UJJAYI breath, also known as victorious breath, ocean breath, UJJAYI pranayama. So with the UJJAYI breath, we're going to start by inhaling through the nose and exhaling with a big like ha sound, like ha, almost as if you were going to fog up a mirror or a window and you were real close to it. You want that type of heated breath coming out. So inhaling, exhaling. And if you want to try to feel this breath, you can actually take your hand up to your mouth just to kind of feel the heat, make sure that you're doing this part correctly. So I can feel that I'm warming up my hand as I'm going. So on the next inhale through the nose again. And try this time with that same ha feeling, but with the mouth closed. So that the breath is coming back out through the nose, but in this way you're finding a small constriction in the back of the throat. This is what we want. So inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale through the nose again, but with that same constriction. So this technique really comes in handy when in deep meditation, also when you just want to bring more focus to your practice. It's really been beneficial for me personally when I tackle harder poses. It just kind of deepens the breath, brings like I said, just more focus to the practice. So that's about it. I thought I would do this tutorial because I like to mention UJJAYI breath every now and then in my classes, especially a little bit more in the intermediate classes as you're starting to work towards those harder poses. But feel free to use this technique as needed whenever, as a beginner or intermediate, advanced. Every level can practice it. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. Make sure to comment down below if you have any questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see on the channel. I upload new free yoga classes, tips, tutorials to this channel every single week. So if that sounds like something you would like, make sure to hit the subscribe button and have a wonderful one, you guys. Namaste. I'll see you in the next one.